Please select from the following options.
Good afternoon, thank you for calling Numatic. Claire speaking, how can I help?
Good afternoon, Claire. How are you today?
Very well, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah, not too bad. Well, actually, I've got a bit of a problem. I've just bought a Henry Hoover, and it doesn't say Henry on it. It says numatic. I was just wondering if you could tell me why that was, please.
Where did you buy it from?
I bought it in Grimsby from Screwfix.
Right.
My mum's got one at home, and I love it. And it had Henry written on it, and the one I've got's got numatic written on it.
Well, that's a bit disappointing.
Yeah, I'm
right.
gutted.
Have you got the vacuum with you?
I have, yes.
Right, when you lift up the handle, there should be a serial number under there. Can I take that, please?
Yep, certainly. Yeah, it is. Is it the long number at the bottom?
Yeah, it should be.
1737.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, one sec. 1737.
09701.
Lovely, thank you. That is because you have not got a Henry, you've got an NRV. It's the same as a Henry, but it's a commercial one, so it doesn't have the face, and it just says numatic.
It has got a face, it's got a face on it.
Oh, it has got the face.
It has got a face, yeah.
Right, yeah. Well, you need to return that. So you sent me an NRV when you ordered a Henry.
So have I got a Henry bottom but an NRV top?
Well, they're very basically the same machines. It's just one is more for commercial use, and the other is more sort of domestic, sort of, with the name and all of that. But as far as I was aware, I didn't think the NRVs actually had the faces on them.
It's definitely got a face there. It's looking at me right now.
Yeah. I would go back to Screwfix and say to them, you supplied me with an NRV 200
right.
when I ordered a Henry.
Okay.
All right. I mean, unless you were actually just looking through their catalogue and you picked that thinking it was Henry.
No, I wouldn't do that. I wanted a Henry.
Yeah.
I don't even know what numatic. I don't even know anyone called numatic.
That's us.
Oh, right. Okay. See.
Right. Yeah. If you give Screwfix a call and just say to them, you ordered a Henry and they supplied you with an NRV 200.
Wonderful. Can you put me through?
I can't from here, I'm afraid.
Okay, no worries. All right, thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
And you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.